What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy KOBK, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. Not only do we have some scholars on the line, but we're going to do an overview on how to actually use the platform called Pocket Options. Now, Pocket Options is the platform that we use, that you see me using now to actually trade in the market, the Forex market. Now, this style of trading is a high advanced style of trading. I like to say it's trading the exponents of the market when it comes to Forex. So we're not trading the whole number, we're trading the exponent of the digits of Forex. Now, this is time-based trading. What that means is you're able to get into the market and you make a decision. You have two options. Either the market's going to increase and go up, or the market's going to decrease and go down. Now, you have a 50% chance of choosing the correct direction on which way the market is going to go. And once you do that, now you have a time. You get to pick if the market's going to go in your direction within 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour. It really depends on what strategy you're using, how the market is moving, and also whatever you decide you want the market to go in the time frame that's best for you. So today I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to walk you through the process and show you exactly where everything is so you can be successful when trading in the market, and also knowing what button to push and when to do it. So what I will do is that I will go ahead and I will put the link for the broker that I'm actually using. So if you guys want to join in on one of my Zoom sessions, you can create your account, create your demo account, and guess what? I also have a promo code for you guys. So when it's time for you to go live, and what I recommend is everyone stay on their demo account first. And the reason this is important, because I want you to learn how to use my strategy on your demo account first. And this allows you to make mistakes, and making mistakes is okay, but we don't want you to do it on your live account. I don't want you to do it on your live account first. I want you to make those mistakes on your demo account. I want you to learn on your demo account first. And then when you become proficient with the strategy, any one of my strategies that's on my website, I put you will look right above my head, website's right there. When you become proficient at that strategy and you're ready to go live, I'll help you set up your live account, and I'll give you my promo code. My promo code will match you 50% on whatever you put in your account. That's free capital, y'all. All right, so let's go over to this platform. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go over to Google. I'm going to go to Google, and I already have an account set up. I just want you guys to see how this is. I'm going to type in Pocket Options. It's right there. We're going to do demo. We'll go to demo, and here are some links. Now, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to this one, but I'm going to have a hyperlink for you guys underneath this video. Just click the hyperlink. But for those of you who want to go this route, you come here to Google, you click on this right here, and then here's your account. Now, I'm not even going to sign in. You don't even have to create an account first when you're doing this. But once you create an account, whatever indicators and strategies you put on your chart, by creating an account, it saves it to that platform. But I'm gonna just go start in one click. I'm gonna go ahead and exit out of here. And then boom, now we are on the demo side. Here's the demo money up there. You can refresh this, you can reload that. Now I have $50,000 to practice with in my demo account. And the way I did that was I just hit this little refresh button right here. It says QT demo. If I'm on my live account, it's a QT live up here. Now, how this platform works, right here, this is your time. Now, remember how I was telling you guys, you can trade whatever time you want. So when you have this clock click, you can click that, it goes to flag, but we want to stay on the clock, because if I want to trade 5 seconds, I want to trade exactly 5 seconds. If this was off and I do 5 seconds, when I switch this over to candles, it's going to be a timer here. If there's 10 seconds left on that candle, it's going to trade the 10 seconds plus the 5 seconds that I have up here to trade. And that's not what we want. So we're just going to go 5 seconds here. This right here is your trade amount. Click on this box. You can put whatever amount you want to trade. So you can trade all the way up from on your demo account from $1 and up. And then this right here, two buttons. We have a green button and we have a red button. Now, remember how I was saying this is time-based, right? So I'm going to take a trade with you guys. I don't have any strategies on here. I don't know if I'm going to win, if I'm going to lose. We're just going to take a trade. I'm going to say sell. So I hit the red button. There's a line right here. What I need, and we lost that trade. What I need was that ball. Let me increase this a little bit more. We want more time. I need that ball to be below that red line within 30 seconds. I'm trading 30 seconds. And if I click right here on the right, there's a trade button. It's going to tell me exactly how much time is left. So currently I have 15 seconds left to clear this trade. Now, this currency pair is paying out 92%. So that means whatever I invest to trade with, it's going to pay me 92% on whatever it was. And there it is. There's a clear right there. $19.20 in 30 seconds. So I invested $10. I traded $10. I predicted that the market was going to continue to go down, and I cleared that trade. And as you see up here, now the balance is right there. If I click on close, it's going to have all my wins and my losses right there. If I want to see how much time is left on my chart, this is one way. I just click open and you'll see it there. But that trade is over. So it's right there. Now, the next step we need to do is we need to know where the currencies are. So over here to the left, it says EUR GBP. If I click on that, I have currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, indices, and I can save some favorites and everything is right there. Right here is all my currency pairs. Now, when we're trading this, I tell all my students, you want to trade currency pairs that pay out a minimum of 75% and higher. Now, over here, we do things a little bit different. My strategies are built for the whole market, but they're tailored around, I know this is going to sound crazy, but they're tailored around pairs that are OTC. Now, we know OTC is the synthetic market. We understand that, but they work. So we trade those pairs that are 92%. And all you have to do is hit this little star. And once you hit the star, your currency pairs start populating at the top. So now when you have the strategies on your chart and you want to look for a setup, you don't have to sit and babysit one currency pair. I'm gonna tell you guys now, I normally do not sit and watch just one currency pair with these strategies. I go through multiple strategies, multiple pairs, looking for the correct setup. And when I see a setup, I'll stay on that setup. I execute that trade, boom, execute that trade. Then I'll go to another, boom, take that trade, boom. And what I want you guys to see right now is that if it's green, you're winning that trade. If it's red, you're losing that trade, boom. And then you can see we're winning this trade. We're winning this trade. Now we're losing all of those trades. We're winning these trades. And then also, if I go back over to the right, I see how much time is left on every single one of my trades to either clear those trades, get a notification down here. It's going to let you know if you won, if you lost. I'm winning some, I'm losing some. This is demo. This doesn't count. This is not my strategy. This is me just showing you guys how to look at everything that's going on. Now, look, those trades happen really fast, right? 30 seconds is not a lot of time. That's why you're in and you're out of the market. The next thing I want to show you is that this right here, this is not your traditional chart. This chart is area. You just look at a ball, you place your trade. People use this to trade a different type of style. Most individuals want to trade with candles. They like to see the candles, look at candle patterns, look at engulfing candles, revert. Anyway, you guys get it. So when you come right here, next to your currency symbol, there's a little chart. We're going to click on that. It says chart type. Once you click on that, you can now pick what type of candles you would like to look at. So we have candles, we have bars, and we have pike and ash. So for the purpose of this video, I will select candles, and then you can select whatever time frame you want for the candles. Now, the S stands for 5 seconds. So that means every single one of my candles, and you can zoom in. If you have a ball on your chart, you can zoom in and you can make the candles bigger. Just like trading Forex, you can go to the bottom and stretch it out. Or down here in the corner, there's a little thing that says M. You can click that, click a button, and it will change your candle type so you can get a better zoom on what's going on when it comes to your candles. So right now, mine is on M1. Let's go back to the 5 seconds. So every single one of my candles are 5 seconds now. And then also, what we're going to do is we're going to enable the timer, enable the auto scroll, turn that on, and enable grid snap. What that does when you enable auto scroll and grid snap, every time a new candle appears, it will keep up with the current candle. Your screen will move automatically for you. And then also I enabled what was called the timer. So every candle is 5 seconds. And this is important with a lot of my strategies because we get into trades at the close of a candle. This right here allows you to see how much time is on that candle prior to getting in. If that was off, you wouldn't know how much time is on there. You'll be at the bottom trying to look at your clock, but since we're working on seconds and not minutes, it'll be a little bit different. So I highly advise you guys to go ahead and keep the timer on so you can see what's going on. Now, the next thing that's very important when it comes to this platform is going to be our indicators. So right here, there are many different indicators on here. I'll just throw, everyone knows RSI, your relative strength index. So I'll just click RSI and then it populates down here at the bottom of my chart. So now I can make an informed decision on what to go on when looking at the chart, just like I just did right there. That's a 30-second trade just by using the RSI. There's more. You can add more indicators on here as well. Let's add the practical William percent. So now I have that one on. So now I have 2 different indicators that I can put on my chart. And if I want to color coordinate it, I come here, I can change my period. I can go to, oops, didn't mean that. I can type in 50 and go to style. And then now I can change my thing. So I like the color coordinator, right? So 70, we know 70 is overbought. So when price gets up to 70, I know I want to sell. So I'm going to color that red. The 50%, that's the dead zone for me, meaning I do not trade in that area. And then the 30 green means I want to buy when it comes to that level. Now, some people like their lines to be a little bit thicker. So if that's the case, you'll just click on that 1px, that stands for 1 pixel. You can increase that to make those lines a little bit thicker so you can see. So I can go to 3 pixel, I can go to 5. It really doesn't matter. And then once you're done, you hit save. So now I can see this clear. I change my signal line to white so I can get a clear identification of what to do when I'm trading with a quick glance, and then I can execute a trade. That's really all you need for the basics of this platform. You can also go over here to profile for you guys that are creating new accounts. This is demo account, so I'm not even signed in, but you can go over there. You can validate your account. You want to validate your account because if your account is not validated, if you don't do your KYC, or know your customer, you won't be able to pull out your funds when you're on your live account. The process doesn't take long. I just did another account the other day. It took less than an hour. So they're getting much better with that. You have achievements over here as well. So when you're trading and when you make certain trades and when you're winning certain trades, they give you bonuses. So they give you bonuses, which is money that you can use your gems to have free capital. One of my favorite ones is you'll get a free trade. I just seen one the other day where they gave out a gem. It was a free $10 trade. So you were able to take a $10 trade for free. And if you won, you kept the $10. And if you lost, it didn't subtract from your account. One last thing that we'll look at is that's all we need. That's good. All this, you guys can figure that out on your own. There's signals, social trading. I don't recommend the signals, to be honest. Social trading, you can turn on social trading. You can see what people are trading, what's going on in the market. Express trading, it's a little bit different. It gives you two graphs, just up or down, and you click that button and you win. But there's no analysis going on when you do that. It's kind of taking a gamble because you're not using your own analysis when you're trading. There's also tournaments. There's tournaments on the weekend where they'll give you free money if your trading style is super, super good. They'll split a pot of money up with you guys, and it goes into your live account as well. And that is the basics of this platform. So what I'm going to do next time, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come back with you guys, and I'm going to actually show you how you can do this exact same thing, but using your phone. This right here is the web-based platform. I'll show you on your mobile device too, because we also do this on our cell phone. So you can make money while eating some lunch at Panera Bread, something like that. All right, it's your boy KLBK. We'll be back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now that we just did the overview on how to use pocket options from your computer, I'm going to show you guys how to use your mobile device, your cell phone, your iPhone, Android to set this up. Now, it doesn't matter which platform, the interface is a little bit different, but this is just an overview, the just overview on how to do it from your phone. So I do have my phone up. So what I'm going to do real quick. Ooh, should I go sideways? Should I go sideways with y'all? Yeah, I'll go sideways. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Pocket Options Demo. And as you guys see, here we go. You will click on this one. I'm going to click on the, let me see here. Which one do I want? The demo. There we go. I'm going to click on this right here. And now I'm on my Pocket Options side. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on this one right here. This is the Try Pocket Options with the free demo. But you guys don't have to worry because I'll have my link at the bottom. You'll just have to click the link. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click that. It's going to bring us to this platform. Now, I have my phone turned sideways to walk you guys through on how to use this. So right here, as you can see, we have our time up there. We got our $10 right there. That's our trade amount. And then also, to take a trade, I'm going to hit the green button to buy, the red button to sell. So now I'm in two trades, and at the left-hand corner, you can actually see what's going on. Now, to select my currency pairs, where you guys see American Express, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click on that. Then I can cycle through whatever currency I want. Right now, I'm on stock. So to select currency, I'm going to click on that dollar sign. That dollar sign is going to bring me to different currencies that I want. And then I want a few, so I'm going to hit that little star button up there, select 3 of them. Let's select 4. And then I'm going to click anywhere on the blank space on the chart. And now I have my different, let me turn it this way. Hold on 1 second. Where did they go? Star, star, star. Oh, they all did not pop up there at the top. So that's a little different. I see. So it looks like we'll just have to select through whichever ones we want when we're trading a different currency. Now, next to your AUD cat, there's 3 dots. You can click on that. And it's just like on the laptop. The first one's going to be your charts. We're going to go ahead and we're going to select candles. And we're going to enable that timer. Now, this is how you adjust the time for each candle. Directly next to where it says chart type, it says time frame. You click on that time frame. You guys see that? There's chart type, and then right at the top, right above where it says candles, there's a little border that says time frame. You click on that. And now we can select to whatever time frame we want for our candles. So I'm going to put it on 5 seconds. I'm going to click anywhere on the blank chart. And now I have 5-second candles. And the next thing I want to do is I want to add the indicators. So let's see what we got here. Let's see. Let me move this. Where are my, there we go. So for indicators, I'm going to click those 3 dots right there. And then you guys see where it says S5. We're going to go to the box directly underneath that. We're going to click those indicators. And now we're going to add, let's just add a moving average. There's moving average. So I'm going to click moving average. And then I'm going to hit that X button to clear that out. Now I have a moving average on my chart. Now to change the settings of my moving average, I'm going to click that pencil. And now I can change my moving average setting to whatever I want. Let's go 14. And then if I want to go SMA, EMA, WMA, so smooth moving average is your SMA. WMA is your weighted moving average. EMA is your exponential moving average. And SMMA is another version of your smooth moving average. So currently we'll just go SMA. Then I'll change my color to blue, change the thickness to 3. Then I'll hit save. Now it's on my chart. So now if I was using something with this strategy, I can take my trade based off this. If I want to see how much time I have left in a trade, over there to the right side, where it's, well, it just disappeared. Let me increase this to 5. And then sell. So over there to the right, where you see that 1 next to my time, if I click that right there, the box is highlighted right there on the right side of my screen. It's going to tell me how much time I have left on that trade. To get rid of it, I just hit that button again. You guys see me clicking that button? I'm clicking the button with the 1 up there in the top right corner. And then we just take trades. So this is actually how you take trades from your phone. Me personally, when I trade, I like to trade this way. I don't like to trade this way. It's just me, because I'm using really fast strategies. Normally when I'm trading this way, I'm doing 5-second trades. Coming over here, boom, I'm hitting my trade. Boom, boom, boom. Just hitting my trades and going from there. But yeah, so anyway, that's a real quick overview of how you use it on your phone. I'll go more into details later with the settings. If you guys want, just comment below the video and we will go from there. But all right. So now that we got all of that out of the way, I'm going to show you guys one of my strategies, how to utilize my strategy. The strategy I'm going to be sharing with you guys is called the reckoning. It's a super fast trading style. You got to be fast, guys. I'm telling you, but once you get it, it's game over. These are 5-second executable trades on the platform. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to share my screen of the good old pocket options real quick. We're still on demo. We're not on a live account. And I'm going to break this down. So this is what we have, family. I have 2 lines on here. You guys already know the settings. I'm not going to say it on this call because you guys purchased this. We have 2 lines on this chart. You guys know what they are. This red line is determining the trend. So if your candles, as you see here, and price is underneath that line, you're looking to sell. You're only looking to sell. If price, like what you see, or your candles are above that line, you are looking to buy. All right. Everything here is color coordinated. I set this up for you guys. So when all the colors line up, it's going to correlate with the button you should be pushing over here. So rule number 1, candles are underneath. I should be selling. I should be now looking for red candles. This red line should be on top. When the red line is on top, that means these sellers are in control of the market. I should be selling. If the green line is on top, that means the buyers are in control. I should be buying. This right here is also letting you know what's happening immediately in the market. So if it's red, the sellers are in control. If it's green, the buyers are in control. Now, here's a little secret I'm going to give you guys. There's a 0 on this chart. Now, if we're selling, what we really want to show how strong the trend truly is, your red bars are going to be underneath that 0. Now, if they're above over here, that's not bad. You know, that's saying that the sellers are in control for that time and they're really trying to take over to turn it into a bearish market. But I'm just letting you know, this is extra sauce when you're trading. Like right now, we see that red line just populate down there underneath. That's game on. And then we also have our fractals. We have red and green. When you have a fractal, I use these as emergency procedures. It's letting you know, uh-oh, I should stop trading. Uh-oh, I should keep trading. When you have a green fractal that appears on your chart, that means the market has come up, it's came to a high level, and it hasn't broken that level yet, so it draws a fractal. And now that is like a resistance level on your chart, meaning that the market is ready to come crashing down as you see now. And then you have a red fractal. What that means that the market is at a low point and that the market is really ready to turn around. So you take that and you combine that with everything else that we have to let you know if you should continue to take a trade. Now, the other warning sign that we have for this strategy, as you see how all these are red, 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 that's sell all day, right? But we wouldn't have got in this trade yet because it's above that line. We would have caught the trade here. We would have sold on this candle for 5 seconds because we have red on top, the candles underneath that line, and we have red bars down here. Every single candle you trade, clear, clear, clear. I would have paused red here because I had a fractal. So what that means that the market is thinking about reversing. I would have waited for that next candle to open up. This candle would have been green here. I would have not taken that trade. But let's just say hypothetically that we got in that trade by accident. It's okay. With this strategy, you don't win every single trade, but you win way more than you lose. And that's why this strategy is so powerful. So I would have waited and then I would have evaluated. And what I realized is that on the next candle, it was, let's just say here, let's go here. This was green. This right here is green, but my candle is red. This is red. It's still telling me that it wants to sell, but I got that warning sign, so I'm not hopping in yet. I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait. This is red. This is red, but this is green. I'm going to wait. And you see, this saves your account when you follow this to the T. We got green. We've got a pullback. It's fine. We would have waited. This candle would have closed underneath our line. We would have waited. We would have entered on this candle. We would have cleared this trade. We got a fractal. I would have waited, but let's just say I hopped in. Boom, red, red here, red all the way. I would have took every trade. Stopped here, waited for it to adjust, took every trade. Boom, 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 boom. Now, when you start trading this, you can get a little confidence with this. You'll figure out what's going on with the market, right? So you possibly could have took every single one of these trades, but you could have lost these trades too. Even though it continued to go down, you got warnings down here saying, hey, don't trade. Hey, don't trade. So this would have really been on you guys on how you would have traded those ones. Me personally, depending on how this market would have been looking, I would have decided if I would have taken these. But for the new trader, you're not going to trade because you're getting the sign to abort. And when that happens, I don't want you guys to be like, oh man, I should have took every trade. No, no, no. You could have took every trade and you could have lost every trade. I want you to follow the rules to the T because more than likely you will find the setup when everything is going, you're, ooh, this is the entry, right? This is the entry right here. I just clicked on another chart. But anyway, you would have found the settings and you would have found the setup where every trade, like I'm going to take this one. I'm going to show you guys something. So I'm in this one. This is a high risk trade. And the reason it's a high risk trade, because I'm taking this trade for 5 seconds. I just had a fractal appear. I still cleared, but it's a high risk trade because I have a fractal here, meaning that it's at the lowest low. You know, it's ready to reverse. It's ready to turn around, but it just broke that fractal and it's continuing to go down, which is cool, right? But also, if I look to my left, that's another fractal. That means that's a barrier. So what I like to do sometimes, right, is I'll come here. You guys don't have to do this. I'm going to visualize this on the chart for you guys so you can see. This is how my mind works. So I would draw, when I see those fractals, I have a line there. And this is how I'm looking at the market when I'm trading. I have a line there. Wherever you see those fractals, right? So I have zones where the market can potentially bounce off those lines and turn the other way. Now I know I just broke this low, right? I know I did, but I have warning signs, caution, caution. We got green bars. It's telling me that the market wants to come the other way. So this is telling me that the buyers are coming into the market right now and they're trying to push it up. So sometimes what I'll do is like I'm looking at AUD Chef, I'll go to my currency strength meter, let me refresh, and I'm gonna look at AUD Chef. So Chef is way stronger than AUD, right? Not way stronger, but it's stronger than AUD Chef. But AUD is not that weak. So it's playing tug and war right now. So I'm gonna be patient. And me personally, I would like to wait, but I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to take a trade when you got green bars. So I'm gonna enter. I enter that trade as soon as it's at 1 second. I'm in there 5 seconds. I cleared that trade. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. I'm gonna wait for it to get to 1 second. I like 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Boom, I'm in that trade. Boom, I got the jump. I'm in there 5 seconds. I'm in there 5 seconds. Boom, cleared that trade. I'm gonna take another. And the reason I'm doing this, and I'm telling you guys this, because you're on the call with me right now, what I'm looking at. Hold on. The reason I'm doing that because I understand that the overall trend is a downtrend. My bar up here is, so I lost that trade. It went green. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see what color this closes out. It's green. I'm chilling. Wait. I'm done. I'm done. I caught a few pips. I'm done. The ideal entry for this to catch the whole wave down when trading this strategy is this good old indicator right here. So when you're going through your pairs, you're looking for these two lines to intersect and break through. Once they break through and everything lines up, it's game on. And the quick way to identify really fast if you should be buying or selling when you're looking at this, if that red line's on top, you know you should be selling. You need to make sure that your candles are underneath that line. Simple as that. If you're buying, when these lines cross and that green line's on top, you need to make sure that your candles are on top. Let me find. So I want to give you guys the perfect example. Boom. When you're buying and these lines intersect, you want to make sure that your price is above that red line. Then it's game on. So you would have not entered this trade here yet because price at this time was not above that line. You would have waited to the close of this candle. Then you would have hopped in this trade. You would have cleared this trade, this trade, this trade. You would have got red. You would have paused. And I'm going to tell you why you would have paused. Because it's red here. Then also we just had a fractal that appeared. Now, even though this is shooting up, that's all good. But I have too many sellers trying to come into the market. Boom. I got green. I'm taking this trade. Hold on. Taking it. I'm going to take it. Boom. Entering that trade. Taking that trade for 5 seconds. We in the money. Pull back. Cleared that trade. Still cleared that trade. I'm going to wait. I'm going to enter this next trade. Now I see wicks. That right there is an indication to me that the market is trying to reverse. I have wicks pushing down. When you have a real strong, solid trend, you do not have these wicks at the top. You have the candles going higher and higher and higher. Now I'm still going to take this next trade. I'm going to take that next trade anyway, because we're still above. I have green. I'm okay with taking a loss on that one trade. We cleared that trade. Now, what I want you guys to look at is that we have a fractal. The fractal means that the market is ready to turn around, but I'm still going to take this trade. Boom, red. I'm okay. If I lose this trade, I'm okay with that. I'm okay. But I just walked you guys through what I was looking at, that the market is ready to turn around. And what happened? We got a red bar. We already got indication back here with that first one. Then we had a fractal appear. Now it's selling. So I'm not going to take any trades with this. You want to trade with the trend, with this strategy. Don't even try to counter trend. I know I counter trend sometimes, but I'm looking at different things. For you guys, I do not want you to counter trend. You're going to have more success when you trade with the trend versus trading against the trend. You know, I had a mentor say, would you like to get on the train going? Would you like to try to jump on the train moving at 500 miles an hour, or get on the train when it's at standstill, then go 500 miles? You want to get on the train when it's at standstill, and getting on that train when it's at standstill is at that cross and waiting for your entry to ride it up the whole way versus trying to get in up here and catch it down. That's not what we do. We're smart traders. We make very precise decisions. We take our time. We evaluate the market prior to getting in. We don't get happy with our trigger finger because we want to grow our accounts. We want to multiply our accounts. We want to compound our accounts. That's what we do. We use the money that we make here in the market to do things in our daily lives. That's what we do. So don't blow it. You guys work hard for your money. Don't come over here just pushing the button, trying to win and want that instant gratification, but you're not doing the things that you need to do prior to executing the trades. But anyway, we're going to go ahead. We're going to hop into some trades. Now, actually, we're not. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video. I appreciate every single one of you guys. This video was the tutorial on how to set up your pocket options on the desktop platform as well as your cell phone. Anyways, your boy KOBK. We out of here.